and feet on the floor. Bring your arms to your chest and bend your elbows. Imagine your arms being in a boxing position. Now lift your upper body off the floor to come to a V-sit position and punch with your left arm toward the right and then the right toward the left. Next, with control, return to the starting position and repeat.
Seconds left. Next exercise.
Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms raised overhead, resting on the ground. Lift your upper body and legs off the floor, bending the knees to a 90-degree angle. Lower your arms to shoulder level and on the outer sides of your thighs. Hold the position for a few seconds, and then with control, return to the starting position. Repeat.
Seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms at your sides. Lift your legs and bring them towards your body, bending the knees to a 90-degree angle. Lift your pelvis off the ground and extend your knees, raising them toward the ceiling. Lower your pelvis and bring your legs back to the starting position. Repeat.
Seconds left. Halfway there. Next exercise.
Start in a prone position. Support your body on your forearms with your elbows under your shoulders. Lift your knees off the floor, keeping your toes down. Align your body with a straight line. Squeeze your abs to engage your core. Hold the position.
Losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
10 seconds left.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the station. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. Every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day.
Next exercise.
So vacant. None of this shit that I think is amazing.
Lie on your back with your elbows bent behind your head. Raise your legs off the floor and bend your knees to a 90-degree angle. Lift your upper body off the floor and bring your left elbow and right knee together, rotating your core. Extend the left leg toward the floor. Return to the starting position. Place your upper body down. Now lift the upper body and bring the right elbow and left knee together. Return to the starting position and repeat.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my
10 seconds left.